remember this ackee tree? Yeah, that's the ackee. Remember it? Yeah, so we are going to pick some. I did tell you that one day we'll eat from it. So yes, your words are power. Your words are powerful. So we're gonna pick some ackee, and for our international viewers, those who don't know ackee and how it looks, especially when it's open or it's in a pod, we're gonna be showing it to you. So yeah, keep watching. We'll show you how we pick the ackee. Yes, that's the Jamaican fruit, the ackee, Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. Yeah, or codfish, as many of you know what saltfish is actually called. Yes, we are picking ackees today. So yeah, that's David picking ackees. Let's see if we can go up there. Go all the way up there. Let's see. So that's the ackee right there. Yes, and it came down. It fell. So let's find it. Let's find it. So yes, this is these seem like they were actually open for a while. So yes, they're usually 3 in a pod. Um, this tree seemed to give a lot of 2 in a pod. Yeah, a lot of twins. Well, it's not even twin. Well, 2 in a pod, yes, but twin is when they're actually together in one peg, like I showed you on ACKEE New Year, or first video for the year. Yeah, picking the ackee up there. You definitely need to have a stick with a hook. It's actually the best way to pick the ackee. When you have a hook stick, we call it in Jamaica. So yes, that's this stick doesn't have a hook, but let's see, and it's quite a distance up. Let's see if David can get it. Let's see. Yeah, it's not easy to do it without the hook stick. This one is a longer stick, but it doesn't have a hook. So let's see. You have to really find a good grip. Find a good grip on it to get it. Oh, there's one peg. It's coming down. Yep, it's coming down. Came down. So yes, let's show you. Um, I did show you in the New Year's video, ACKEE New Year. So yes, this is the ackee. This one looks like it has 2 in the pod. Yes, so this is it. This is how it looks. Remember the ackee video we talked about? Yes, so this is the ackee. Usually it's 3 in a pod, sometimes 4. We'll show you a 3 in a pod in a few seconds. This is one with 3 in a pod. 3 in a pod, and sometimes you can find 4 in a pod. David told me he found one with 5 in a pod. I didn't see that one, but yeah, you can probably get up to 5 or 6. I don't know, but yeah, this is ackee. It's very tasty. It's very nutritious, very healthy. If you have not seen the videos that I did on ackee, yes, I know many of you didn't even know that ackee has so many health benefits. So yes, it's it's called the arils. It's called the arils. That yellow part. It's called the Ariels. So these are two pods of ackee, and if you notice, this one is not as opened as the other one. So when they just open up, like about a day, they would be like this, and if they are open for longer, they would be more open like this, so they're wide open. Yes, that's ackee, or Jamaican fruit. Yeah, so wonderful. Okay, so this is another set. Seems like another set of ackee. And look, this is actually 4 in a pod. Yeah, 4 pegs in a pod. Yeah, so and this is another one. It's not yet quite open, so we gotta definitely let it open full. Remember that, gotta let it open fully. Yes, fully like this one, or fully like this one. This is another 4 in a pod. Alright, that way you're sure that it's healthy for you to eat, or healthy for consumption. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.